Hello there! Believe it or not, it's been already 1 year since you purchased your home. Congratulations! I hope you created incredible memories with your family. The reason we're shooting this video is to just give you some more information throughout the time you're going to be owning this home. And Maria is going to share with us today what's really important to keep in mind.
Just as a reminder, we always recommend that you touch base with your insurance representative to make sure you are properly insured if you've done any improvements throughout the home during this last year. Having the proper coverage is really important. We also recommend that you consider updating and renewing your home warranty protection program. This will give you additional coverage in addition to your home insurance policy. And lastly, we always say, go back and reference your home inspection report and tackle some of those miscellaneous things that are outstanding on that list. We hope you guys are all doing great and enjoying the home. Talk to you soon.
Bye.